you all are doing great. And today I'm very excited to actually be filming this video for you all. It has been in planning for really long time, and today I finally get a chance to film this video with utmost excitement. And I don't know, like, it's just crazy that I am actually doing this. It's a bit experimental on my side, but you'll see why I say that. But yes, this is going to be something that is always and always going to be very, very, very close to my heart forever and ever, and you'll know the reason very, very soon. So it's not just me in this video entirely, but I have someone special who will be accompanying me the other side to let you all know probably one of the biggest surprises that I really wanted to share with you all, maybe with a little bit twist and just not going in a very simple and a plain manner. So let's put our hands together and welcome the other guest of the show. So dil thaam ke baithiye aur zordar taaliyon ke saath let's welcome the other guest of the show, that is Ankita. That is awesome, Anki. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Oh my god, I am so happy to be here with you and of course with everybody watching us. I mean, it gives me immense pleasure. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि I was waiting desperately कि कब मुझे मौका मिले, कब मुझे चांस मिले कि मैं सबके साथ ये न्यूज़ अपनी शेयर कर सकूं. I have been looking for this opportunity for so long, and finally we are here today. Thank you so much for having me here so that I can share every insight that I have for all this, for all these 9 months, my whole journey, my experience, and if I'm able to let people know कि मैंने क्या-क्या चीजें experience करी और किस-किस चीजों से मुझे क्या-क्या परेशानी हुई, I'll be more than happy to let someone understand or probably get to know something with my experience. Yeah, I don't know what to what to say in words, but it's very, very appealing to be doing this. How do you feel, first of all? It feels great, on top of the world. But of course 9 months हो गए almost, मतलब मेरा 9 month already start हो चुका है. So it's a bit scary too, क्योंकि time बहुत ज़्यादा नज़दीक आ रहा है. But otherwise, yeah, it feels great. It's something that's uncomparable. Congratulations once again. And how is the oral journey been? Tell us everything. Well, I would say my pregnancy journey has been pretty much smooth and pretty much fine. I did not have very major difficulties या कोई complications नहीं थी. मेरी pregnancy बड़ी healthy and normal रही है. Of course, the usual symptoms होते हैं, they were always there. Like, to begin with, the first 3 months were very, very hard. They were very tough on me because I had really bad nausea. The good part is I never puked, I never vomited, because I think it's usually said that it's always the genetics, the genes that you carry forward अपनी mother से जो आपको pass on होते हैं, so it really depends a lot on that. So that was one thing that really helped me. So I don't remember even a single day when I puked or vomited. That was one thing. लेकिन हाँ, starting में मुझे nausea बहुत ज़्यादा था, extremely. Even if I would sit down to cook, बहुत मुश्किल होती थी, especially while रोटी बनाते हुए. It was very hard, and that particular smell would just make me feel so much nauseous. Like, I could hardly stand in front of the stove. So मुझे तो एकदम ऐसा होता था, I used to get so dizzy, and मुझे होता था एकदम से मैं बैठ जाऊँ. And there were instances when I was almost feeling that I would faint. So those were some of the things that initially gave me a little bit hard time, but उसके बाद things started getting better. And other than nausea, I think on part of my energy levels, I was pretty much drained initially, because at that point of time fetus is growing and it drenches all your energy. पूरी energy वो fetus की तरफ चली जाती है, तो आपके अंदर वैसे भी energy content इतना कम हो जाता है. But then following after my 4th, 5th and 6th month, which is usually called as the honeymoon phase of the pregnancy journey, they were pretty much enjoyable. मैंने बड़ा relax करा. I didn't have much major symptoms or anything like that which I can recall. Other than that, because you all know that I work at a bank, so throughout the pandemic, मैं तो बिल्कुल एक सैनिक बन के just like a soldier and a hero, I had to go to work. So even throughout my pregnancy, I had to go to work. There was hardly a single day that I took off. I can't recall even one day that I took off from work being pregnant, or I called in sick, other than my doctor's appointments obviously. But uske alawa, like there was one time when I was helping a client in the bank, and मुझे इतने ज़्यादा हार्मोनल imbalance हुआ है, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, क्या chemical reaction या क्या chemical लोचा हुआ. I was just feeling that I would probably pass out. Like एकदम से मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँ. So I had to literally stop the interaction in between and let the client know that what, I'm not feeling well. Go back to the lunch room, like जो हमारा रेस्ट रूम होता है वहाँ पे मैं गई और वहाँ पे जाके मैं एकदम से बैठ गई. So like, did anyone at your work know then, did anyone have an idea that you are pregnant, or how was it like exactly at work? No, so that's another thing. Nobody knew at my workplace that I was pregnant. So I had to literally pretend कि I'm absolutely fine, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, I'm absolutely okay, there's nothing wrong with me. It's just usual, dizziness or just lightheadedness, या फिर मेरे को uneasy feel हो रहा है, because it wasn't even 3 months when I was pregnant. तो मुझे था कि I wanted to wait for that much of a time before I could, I don't know, something bugging me. Before I could tell anyone, I wanted to wait for at least 3 months. But that was a bit hard. So काम पे रोज जाना and pretending as if everything is normal, it was a little bit hard. But as I mentioned, I think my 4th, 5th and 6th months were pretty much fine. My last trimester, which I'm still on, like in my 9th month, 7th and 8th month, usually females, they have like a really, because obviously your belly also tends to grow much more, and the baby is also growing, so you tend to get more and more weight during these last 3 months. I think these are precisely the months when I gained majority of the weight. Throughout my pregnancy, I think I've already gained 12 kgs, like around 25 pounds. But I think 10 to 15 kgs is usually considered to be normal to gain weight within that much of a range. So I think mera major, of course it's the water weight, baby weight, and like obviously weight gain to hua hai, but that's okay. I'm completely fine with it because I have literally enjoyed सारी जो मेरी ख्वाहिशें थी खाने पीने की. I have literally enjoyed everything that I really wanted to, क्योंकि उससे पहले होता था कि that I used to take care of my diet और ये नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है. And on top of all this, one thing additionally that I want to put a really hard emphasis on is my husband Jagraj. Like he has been a blessing, a true blessing for me during all this while. Like he made sure, like there were days, honestly you would not believe, when I could hardly cook or I could get up from the couch क्योंकि मेरे को इतनी energy levels ऐसे होते थे कि I don't want to do anything, but he took really good care of me. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो है, he is a great chef. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram or not, but I used to post such delicious, variety of foods that he would cook for me every single night or every single day. And I would just post and people were like, oh my god, isko to, Jagraj should start his own Instagram channel, Instagram page, because itni wo relishing hoti hain jo dishes, whatever he makes and prepares for me. So मैंने बहुत variety enjoy करी throughout my pregnancy. And I think for both of us, this journey has been amazing. And of course, like ऐसा होता था कि मिल बांट के हम काम करते थे. But dinner was mostly on him. He would take care of it and prepare. Oh my god, what not! Like हर चीज़ मैंने enjoy करी है. Even if we go out to groceries, 3-4 तरीके की ice creams हमने लेनी, because prior to, like before I got pregnant, we were very restricted on not having sugar as much, या थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें cut down करना, healthy lifestyle कोशिश करते थे. We used to make sure that at least we are trying to make or follow a healthy lifestyle. But other than that, he has been utmost care. Like और उसके अलावा मेरा ध्यान रखना, मतलब I mean all husbands do that, but for me he's my world. So whatever he does for me means the whole world to me. And I'm really glad and blessed, and I thank Babaji that he, I have him in my life. I feel like with me, he has also enjoyed my pregnancy so much. Like उसने भी अपनी दिल भर के, इच्छा भर के, different तरीके की चीजें खाई हैं, पूरा enjoy करा उसने भी full on मेरे साथ, and like अलग तरीके की cravings को fulfill कर. That does remind me of another question. Like, did you have any major cravings throughout your pregnancy? Well, my cravings majorly were French fries. I'm not guilty. कुछ भी चीज़, like if I would have anything, I want anything made with potato. Like मुझे इतना मन करता था आलू खाने का. वो initially I would hate to even watch videos which contains sweet or desserts. Like the first 3 months, I like while scrolling up on my Instagram handle, if I would just come across any video which has like कोई dessert अगर उसमें होता था, I would just feel that I will puke. Like मुझे इतनी नफरत हो गई थी. There was a time when we bought like 1 kg पूरा आम के अचार का डब्बा. We bought a box of mango pickle, a packet, and I finished it completely. And Jagraj was like, यार ये तो अभी नहीं लाई थी, इसको क्या हो गया? मैंने कहा खत्म हो गया और क्या हो गया? Because मुझे अपने हर मील के साथ I wanted something tangy or sour, sweets were something that I could not bear at all. लेकिन उसके अलावा when you talk about major cravings, French fries of course on top of my list, and other than that, I think in my last, like in all these last months, I have been pretty much okay with having sweets too. My sugar test passed, so I was like, okay, ठीक है अब तो चलता है, so थोड़ा बहुत I used to have in between. Okay, and what about Jagraj's reaction? Like we are all dying to know how he reacted when you told him that you guys are
so
pregnant. This has to be something that I mean, like when I got to know that I was pregnant, I of course did a home test, and they were like how you usually do a home test, and there are like 2 lines, and you get to know, okay, you're pregnant. It's just like a signal for you to at least get your blood work or let your doctor know ki हाँ भाई now we are proceeding towards the next step to make sure and get a final stamp ki हाँ you are pregnant. So I told him that morning, I'm like, you know what, I just did a test and I think I'm pregnant. He's like, तुझे कैसे पता? मैंने कहा क्योंकि मैंने जो टेस्ट करा उसमें 2 लाइन आई. He's like, so what does that even mean? I'm like, stupid, that means I'm pregnant. And he's like, oh my god, he was very happy. Like for me it was a bit a surprising shock, because I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, बहुत कुछ ना एकदम से दिमाग में as a woman you start thinking about a lot of things, and like there is a big change. तो बहुत कुछ चल रहा था, लेकिन of course I was on top of the world, but like for him it was, I think he was the happiest at that point of time. He hugged me so hard, we kissed, and like we were very very happy. We could hardly wait for our families to know, but I really wanted to kind of take it a little bit slow until my doctor officially told me that yes, you are pregnant after getting my blood work done. So I called my family doctor immediately, and she's like, okay, let's get your blood work done, and let's see if everything is absolutely fine, because I wanted to make sure that it's not a false alarm. And I got my blood work done, and it was really I was told that I'm pregnant, and we both were very happy to welcome our new family member. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था, because we have been together for like so long, और कहाँ से हमने अपनी जर्नी शुरू करी दोनों ने, and इतना बड़ा एक लाइफ इवेंट होना, it really means a lot. And what about the family? Like how did they react? Because I know कि सारे इंडिया में हैं, so what was their reaction? So this is something that's gonna drive you crazy. So my mom, she had a little bit idea, because when I did the home test, I wasn't really sure of how to like पता नहीं, उस वक्त अजीब सी घबराहट थी, तो I was like किसी को तो बताऊं, and so I was like I'll call my mom and I literally told her that अभी किसी को बताना मत, because I want to make sure, as I mentioned, कि false alarm नहीं है. So she's like, yeah, मैं तो तुझे बता रही हूँ तो pregnant है. So my doctor called me. I was at work, and I think it was 3:30 here, so it was 2 o'clock at night in India. So my doctor calls me and he's like, you know what, Ankita, congratulations, you're pregnant. I call my mom and I'm like, you know what, mummy, like I am pregnant. She's like, मैं तो तुझे पहले ही बोला था, मैं तो तेरे को पहले ही बोला. मम्मियों के होती है टेंडेंसी वो भविष्यवाणी जज करने वाली, तो मम्मी बिल्कुल अपने उसी रूप में आ गई. मैं तो तुझे पहले ही कहा था तू प्रेग्नेंट है. मैंने कहा हाँ जी माला जी कहा था, तुसी तो महान हो, तुसी ग्रेट हो. एंड देन आई एम लाइक चलो ठीक है पापा को फोन दो. एंड माय पापा वाज हाफ asleep, so I called my dad and I'm like आप नानू बन रहे हो. He was very happy कि चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है. I called my brothers, like they were all together obviously, so I spoke to my brothers. They were very happy कि चलो जी मामू बन गए. I spoke to my bhabhi and she started crying over the phone. She felt so emotional, इतना ज़्यादा emotional हो गई वो कि she couldn't bear, मतलब उनसे रुका ही नहीं गया. और उसके बाद फिर आई बारी जगराज की फैमिली की. हमने उनको कॉल करा. सो मेरी मदर इन लोगों को कॉल करा. ऑलरेडी अब रात के 2-2:30 बज रहे थे इंडिया में, वो बेचारे सोए हुए थे. हमने उनको कॉल करा कि फ़ोन रिंगिंग पे था लकीली, एंड शी पिक्ड अप आवर फोन एंड शी इज लाइक हेलो. एंड हमने कहा कि हाँ जी मम्मा उठो 1 मिनट गल करनी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ. तो कहते हाँ जी बोलो. तो हमने कहा कि गुड न्यूज़ है. कहते कि हेलो हाँ बताओ. उनको ना इतनी ज़्यादा वो नींद में थी. हमने कहा आप दादी बनने वाले हो. कहते हैं कौन दादी बनने वाला है. हमने कहा आप दादी बनने वाले हो. लाइक वो कहते हैं अच्छा मजाक कर रहे हो. हमने कहा नहीं यार सच्ची में आप दादी बनने वाले हो. लेकिन उनको विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा था. वो इतनी ज़्यादा खुश थी कि कहने की हद नहीं. मतलब उस वक्त वो बेचारी रिएक्ट ही नहीं कर पाई आधी नींद की वजह से. हम दोनों हो गए कि यार क्या ही हो रहा है ये. फिर मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ, like Jagraj ki sister, she didn't sleep the whole night. She just kept messaging me that she was so excited. ऑब्वियसली पापा से बात हुई, पापा वाज ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बस बिल्कुल ही पागल हुए हुए थे कि चलो मैं दादू बन रहा हूँ, यू नो. तो एवरीबडी वाज सो हैप्पी. एंड देन द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग हिज मॉम कॉल्स अस बैक एंड हंसे जाए वो कि भाई मुझे पता ही नहीं था रात को क्या बात हो रही है क्या नहीं हो रही, बिकॉज वी वर सो मैड लाफिंग एट ईच अदर कि यार क्या ही हुआ ये रात को ड्रामा. इतनी हंसी आती. बट एवरीबडी वॉज वेरी 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 हैप्पी. गोज विदाउट सेइंग ऑब्वियसली. जगराट के घर में फर्स्ट बेबी है और मेरे मॉम डैड फर्स्ट टाइम नाना नानी बन रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक एक डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट है दोनों फैमिलीज में. And like how about your friends and you know people at work, उनका कैसे reaction था like when you told them कि
so people at work
I actually planned kind of when we actually were going away for our Christmas vacation and our New Year holidays, so मैंने एक छोटा सा एक like surprise ही plan करा था उनके लिए. I made a card and I bought blue and pink color cupcakes and put it in the back of you know like a lunchroom, and I made it as a guess game. So there are quite a number of females in at my workplace then, and like all these guys, they kept guessing कि कौन हो सकता है pregnant. And because my belly wasn't showing as much because it was right at the 3rd month when I made the announcement at work, so they all kept guessing कि कौन हो सकता है. Finally, obviously, when I told them that it's me who's pregnant, people went gaga over it. Like बहुत ही excited थे कि oh my god, this is gonna be so much exciting. They were all very happy. Other than that, like कुछ funny instances मुझे याद हैं. ऐसे तो मेरे सारे ही फ्रेंड्स बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे, बट जैसे एक मैंने अपने फ्रेंड को बताया, मैंने कहा कुछ तो है यार पेट में, तो कहता हाँ यार मेरा भी ना थोड़ा पेट बढ़ रहा है. मैंने कहा पागल आदमी, मैं प्रेग्नेंट हूँ. लाइक बहुत ही अलग अलग इंस्टेंसेस थे, लोगों के लिए बड़े सरप्राइजेस थे. सो बट एवरीबडी वॉज ऑब्वियसली वेरी हैप्पी. टच वुड वी हैव अ ग्रेट फ्रेंड सर्कल एंड अ ग्रेट सोशल सर्कल with God's grace, and everybody was equally very happy. But honestly, like having a baby and you know getting pregnant while having PCOD or PCOS, I mean it's such a true blessing that only the person who actually goes through it can really feel it.
No, I totally get that.
So technically, how hard was it to get pregnant with having PCOS or PCOD? Like how difficult would you say that was?
Well, I would say
firstly, for people who don't know what PCOS or PCOD is, it's kind of a hormonal imbalance where it gets hard for you to conceive a baby. Not only that, like it follows a lot of symptoms, like different kind of symptoms in your body, such as irregular menstrual cycles, you know, acne problem, and that's why I had like a bit of acne in the past too. Like it wasn't a great experience. And of course irregular periods, and like other than that you have hair growth on your face and stuff like that. So with all of those symptoms in mind, I of course had my PCOS diagnosed back in 2012. So I knew since then that I would have you know I would have to take it as a part of my life, but still maintain a healthy lifestyle, because technically there is no cure for PCOS, but you can maintain a healthy lifestyle. So I wouldn't say that it was really hard for me to get pregnant with PCOS, because my doctor already told me that you know what, try for the first 6 months, and if you don't conceive naturally, then we might have to put you on fertility pills. But I am lucky and I'm glad and thanks to God that everything worked out well for us. Was there anything special that you did while having PCOS that actually helped you to conceive, or you know that might be helpful for other people who are watching the video, stuff that they can do to probably conceive while having this hormonal imbalance?
Well, there were little steps that I took before I got pregnant, like because
I am 30, almost 31 now. So I knew that I had to start planning, and we literally never planned as of कि इस age में ही जाके we have to get pregnant or something like that. But I knew that I have to be maintaining a healthy lifestyle if I don't want any repercussions in the future. So you know, cutting down sugar and cutting down carbs. Like I wouldn't say कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा carbs control कर पाती हूँ, अभी भी नहीं कर पाती. It's very hard to resist the carbs. लेकिन like I switched my milk from regular milk to almond milk. मेरी ज़्यादातर कोशिश ये होती थी कि मैं consume जो करूँ almond milk करूँ. Of course, if I am at someone else's place and they are making tea with regular milk, I would have it. Like leaving cheese was a bit too hard because pizzas है या कुछ भी है, तो कभी कभार जब मैं खाती थी तो everything would have dairy products in it, so it's not something that I went totally against it. लेकिन हाँ, I started doing physical workout like last summers. जगराज तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही इज़ अ रनर, ही इज़ बहुत ज़्यादा फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व रहता है, तो उसको तो ये था कि नहीं, यू हैव टू बी एक्टिव. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट फॉर रन्स एंड वॉक्स. मैंने काफ़ी वॉक्स एंड रन्स करे, रनिंग करी पिछली समर्स में आई थिंक, एंड दैट ऑल्सो मेड मी लूज few pounds. I would say I have never been obese. I was a little overweight, like according to my body type and my BMI, I should be somewhere around 65 or 66 kgs, but I have always been around 67 or 68. So it's just a little bit, I can say that I have been a little bit overweight. But other than that, yeah, these were few things that I really took care of. I started supplementing my body with vitamin D supplements, and I have always had multivitamins or multiminerals. मैंने कभी भी multivitamins लेने नहीं छोड़े. So those were some of the things that I used to really take care of. But I'm really glad that everything worked really well for you, and I'm very happy about that. Now, one more thing that I have been, dreading to ask is, how was your reaction when you found out if it was a boy or a girl? So when it came down to gender reveal, like I literally got my report revealing the gender on February 8th, and I never wanted to open the letter without having a gender reveal party. But now, obviously, with all these restrictions of COVID, and we had a stay-at-home order, and you could not meet people and stuff like that, I thought, okay, let's just. And in between, we were moving from our old place to this new house, so I thought, okay, I'll probably have like a Zoom video call, and I'll invite over my family and friends over this platform virtually. We'll have it. So there was a restriction that like एक उसमें allowance थी that you can have at least 5 or 6 people at home. So I called just 4 of my friends, and it was me and dinner, so we were 6 of us. And then I sent out an invite to all my friends and family here and back home. And of course we did a little gender reveal. It was very exciting. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. It was such a memorable moment. I can still recall, like as soon as we got to know what the gender was, मैंने तो प्रेग्नेंट होने के बावजूद मैंने इतनी जोर से जंप करके हक करा जगराज को, एंड पीपल वर लाइक ओह ध्यान से लाइक, बट बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे हम लोग. बट आई एम नॉट गोना टेल इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव अनदर वीडियो फॉर जेंडर रिवील फॉर यू ऑल. लाइक जो हमने उस दिन पार्टी करी थी वो मैंने रिकॉर्ड करा था. इट इज काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी नेचुरल व्लॉग, जिसमें मैंने बिल्कुल मतलब जो चीज़ें हुई हैं उसमें वो सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड हुआ है. बट इट वॉज अ वेरी फन सेशन. बहुत ही मज़ा आया. एंड I wore blue, Jagraj wore pink. So we were like, ठीक है, देखते हैं दोनों अपने voting हमने दी थी. So you'll see who won finally. Okay. And you know what, like there's another thing that's going on in my mind now. Obviously we all know that it's COVID, and how different was it, what do you think would have been the normal situation, like if you were to get pregnant when there was no COVID, but now because it's COVID and you're pregnant, how different was the whole experience, or you can say the journey? I mean, COVID really sucks, to be honest. With COVID, it was a very different situation for me altogether, because anytime I would go for my doctor visits, Jagraj could never accompany me inside the hospital or to the doctor or to the lab technician, or anywhere I would get my ultrasounds done. He would obviously drive me to places, but it was really, I used to feel very sad, because जब मेरा अल्ट्रासाउंड हुआ and when I got to know, when I got to hear baby's heartbeat for the first time, I literally was in tears, क्योंकि एक बड़ी अलग emotional feeling थी, and I felt bad because he was not able to, kind of get all those, एक वो जो होता है ना fatherhood का एक वो different kind of एक feel, वो सब उसका miss हो रहा था. So with COVID, of course, your partner is not allowed. Not anybody is allowed other than you yourself. But I spoke to my doctor that during the delivery, will my husband be allowed to accompany me inside the labor room? So he said, yeah, that's the only time you can have your husband, and of course till the time you will be staying in the hospital room, he can stay with you, but he cannot leave the premises. Other than that, I think with COVID being around, I did precisely everything. Like ये जो traveling वगैरह है उसमें ही कोई accompany नहीं, लेकिन जैसे tests वगैरह कराना, where you want someone to accompany you, that was something that not only me but everybody who was pregnant during this time, because of restrictions, it is what it is. You cannot control few things in your life. So जो था वो यही था. What about the kicks, like when the baby starts kicking your belly? How was the experience? What was your first reaction when you actually felt that, oh my god, something is going on? So the very first time I ever felt a kick, I think it was my 6th or 6.5 month. So
I was actually at workplace and I was helping a client, and we were discussing something, we were talking about something, and I just felt as if बहुत जोर से ना एकदम से मुझे push हुआ है पेट के अंदर. And I always kept asking, you know, friends, my experienced mom friends, कि कैसा feel होता है. They're like, it's something that's something that you won't be able to ignore. I was like, okay, ठीक है, पता नहीं क्या ही feeling होती होगी ना, मुझे पता लगेगा भी कि kicks कैसी होती हैं. They're like, नहीं, easily पता लगेगा. It's not something that you will be able to, you know, surpass, या आपको ध्यान नहीं आएगा. You will be able to completely feel it. और जैसे मुझे एकदम push हुआ, and I was like, ये क्या हुआ? And I had like a, you know, a smile on my face. And the client was like, is everything okay? I'm like, yeah, everything is fine. Like, I think I don't know. I people ignored their topic, but वो बड़ी अच्छी feeling थी. And I called Jagraj right away as soon as the client left. You know what? मेरे को पहली बार kick feel हुई. But now, touch wood, obviously when the baby grows, I have, ये तो अब तो पूरी football अंदर चल रहा है. मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया ढंग से खेला जा रहा है. और especially जब मेरे सोने का time होता, मेरे उठने का time होता ना, that's the time when I feel most of the movement, and I'm like, अच्छा बेटा, मतलब जब मम्मी के उठने का टाइम है या मम्मी के रेस्ट करने का टाइम है तभी करना है. That's so cute. And like, do you have anyone else to take care of you other than Jagraj, of course? That's another story. So because I have really good friends here, and they are like my family, to be very honest. When you live abroad, your friends become your family, and I think that's a true thing, because when you get to experience such different things in your life and you need good people, you always have your friends accompany you if you have really good relations. Now when it comes to my family, हम लोगों ने because things started getting really worse back home in India, and COVID के cases were touching the sky, like 4 lakh case, then 3 lakh cases. It was very bad. So I somehow had a feeling that the flights might get banned here in Canada. So we booked the tickets for my mom and my mother-in-law for 24th April. हम लोगों ने जल्दबाजी में फटाफट टिकट्स करा दी कि before anything comes out or या कोई announcement होती है, let's get the tickets booked. हमने book कराई for 24th April, and 23rd April I was at work. Sharp at 5 o'clock in the evening, there was an announcement made कि flights from India and Pakistan have been banned for Canada. I was shocked. मैंने कहा यार एक दिन से like इतनी बुरी किस्मत किसी की नहीं हो सकती. और मैं इतनी ज़्यादा, मेरे को वो था कि चलो मेरी हिम्मत बढ़ गई थी कि मम्मी और जगराज के मम्मा यहाँ होंगे तो there will be a lot of help. मुझे काफ़ी सहारा होएगा उन लोगों का, because obviously they have experience. It's not that कि जगराज is not helpful या मैं खुद नहीं कर सकती काम. सर पे पड़ेगी तो हम दोनों कर लेंगे, I know that. But like एक वो जो experience वाली बात होती है, that always comes with your mothers. So I was very happy कि चलो ठीक है दोनों आएंगे and it would be easy for us, जो हेल्प मिल पाएगी. लेकिन इट वॉज सो हार्ड टू डाइजेस्ट कि एक दिन पहले लाइक जगराज की जो फैमिली है, दे लिव 4 or 4.5 hours away from Delhi, because and they had to travel all the way from Saharanpur to catch the flight. So I was as soon as the announcement was made, I called Air India and he's like, no, this is the last flight which is flying, and I can guarantee you I'm 80 to 90% sure that this is gonna fly. So I called his parents and I'm like, abhi aap nikalna mat till the time I make sure ki haan ye flight literally like there is a solid plan. But we called Air India. When they gave us an assurance, they're like, if there is any change, your family will get to know only through the airport authorities. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, let's not take a chance, and like we asked them to leave for the airport. हम दोनों सोने चले गए. I think रात के 12:30 बज रहे थे. And around 3 o'clock at night, my mom calls me and she's like, you know what, flight cancel हो गई है. And I'm like, कैसे पता आपको? तो she's like, जिस agent के through we got the tickets done, like announcement हो गई कि this flight is not flying. And by that time, even I had got an email stating the fact that from Air India कि flight has been cancelled. I was very depressed. Like उस दिन तो मुझे बहुत ही मेरा mood off हुआ. I was very upset कि यार कैसे एक दिन से, and how will I manage. Like मैं पूरे टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस में रही, बहुत एंजाइटी हो गई मुझे कि बड़ा मुश्किल होने वाला है. बट यही था कि ठीक है, इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. और अभी भी मुझे थोड़ा टेंशन रहती है कि कैसे चीज़ें मैनेज होंगी. देखा जाएगा. So like whatever, I feel really bad that your mom and your mother-in-law could not come. But I hope like once the ban is uplifted, maybe they are able to book their tickets.
But other than that, like, did you also have any other major difficulties throughout these 9 months that you can recall, or you think that, you know, this was probably the hardest part? Well, I think talking about major difficulties, as I mentioned, my pregnancy was pretty much smooth when it comes to any complications or any pregnancy related, you know, abnormalities. Like, I had a pretty much normal pregnancy. Of course, your usual symptoms hote hain, tiredness, fatigue, or you know, drowsy feel karna, nausea, vomiting. Like, vomiting to mujhe hui nahi, but ye jo usual symptoms hote hain, they were always there. First 3 months, obviously the baby is growing, so that's a different experience. Second trimester was very smooth. Last few months, because your belly tends to grow and your pelvic area becomes very heavy, so when I would sleep, it was very hard then changing the sides, because usually doctor asks you not to lay on your back, because I don't know if there is a vein or an artery which, you know, gets suppressed and it depletes the level of oxygen supply to the baby, so they usually ask you to sleep on your side. So if I would change the sides, that was the hardest. Like, उस टाइम तो मुझे बहुत दिक्कत होती थी. It would take me forever to change my side from one direction to another. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती थी. लोअर बैक पेन होना स्टार्ट हो गया था मुझे, आई थिंक अराउंड 7.5 or 8 months से. I never got pedal edema, like no swelling in my feet. वो सब ठीक रहा. I control my salt intake, मतलब ध्यान रखती थी कि बहुत ज़्यादा salty चीज़ें ना खाऊं, salt का थोड़ा लेवल कम रखूं अपने खाने में. So those were some of the things that I took care of. But हाँ, major difficulties में मैं यही बोलूँगी कि जो pelvic area होता है, that becomes really heavy. So that was one of the difficulties while sleeping I had majorly. And also, since you're so close to your due date, like, how does it feel? Are you scared? You're nervous? How does it feel? Well, yes, the time is really close now. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बड़ा, I don't know, पता नहीं, बहुत अलग अलग ख्याल आते हैं. I try to stay positive, बहुत हिम्मत रखने की कोशिश करती हूँ कि यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, but it's hard. मुश्किल हो जाती है कभी कभार, वो हिम्मत टूट भी जाती है कि यार कैसे मैनेज होगा. मेरे को तो ये तक नहीं पता how to hold the baby, like सब कुछ बहुत दिक्कत होने वाली है. फिर लगता है कि नहीं यार सब हो जाएगा, है ना. लेकिन I feel nervous, I feel little anxious, थोड़े से mixed emotions हैं, but I hope God gives me enough strength and stamina to bear everything and, you know, get through everything with utmost what do you call, energy. And is your hospital bag and everything else is ready? Yeah, pretty much everything is ready. I'm just waiting on few things that I have ordered online, but pretty much everything in my hospital bag is ready. Yeah. And like, have you bought all baby stuff, like your nursery वगैरह, have you prepped it? Yeah, pretty much everything is ready. I mean, I made an Amazon registry and I was given a lot of gifts from there. We had a plan of having a baby shower, but obviously restrictions itni hai that we can't really have it. So a lot of my friends, they gifted quite a few stuff. There are some things that are still left, which I have to order. I think I'm gonna do it pretty soon. But yes, pretty much everything is ready. Also, like, is there anything else that you think that, you know, you want to tell us, or anything that I might have missed to include in my questionnaire, but you want to tell us additionally about any of your experiences throughout this journey? I mean, yeah, the whole journey has been amazing. It's a very great feeling. I'm pretty sure any mom who's watching the video can relate to this, and like, बहुत ही अलग टाइप की फीलिंग है. Like, when I used to see pregnant women out there, and I was like, कैसे यार जब पेट, you know, the belly size growth, अलग नहीं फील होता होगा, या बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट करती है. But it just goes with time. Honestly, you don't have to really put a pressure or anything या कुछ भी, मतलब it just goes with the flow. और I am very glad and I'm very happy and I'm very blessed to have a really good friend circle here. My husband, everybody who surrounds me, like, I just feel I'm very blessed, and everyone has been so supportive throughout this journey, and I hope everything goes well, even with the date approaching by, which is making me a little bit more anxious these days. But yes, I'm very happy having the most supportive husband by my side, most supportive friends by my side, most supportive co-workers, and people at work, they have always been very supportive and cooperative. So I think for me it has been pretty much okay. And on top of everyone, I mean, I had God always with me. I just wish my mom and his mom could come here and accompany us, but you never know. The flights open ho jaye and they can still make it here on time. I think honestly, this whole session has been so amazing to get to know everything that you have experienced. Feels like कि बहुत ज़्यादा closely हम लोग relate कर पाए हैं, because you were so natural कि आपने पूरा like you know you experienced everything with us in and out. Or it feels great to know someone so closely, or you know इतनी एक being pregnant or you know giving birth to someone, growing someone else in your body is like I think altogether a very different experience. So thank you so much for sharing everything with us. And I know everyone who must be watching the video must also be very delighted to you know see and you know get to know like how the experience might, because I feel like pregnancy एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो for every individual it's a very different experience and a very different journey. So I'm really glad कि हम लोग you know we could share or be a part of your journey, like थोड़ा बहुत भी हमें पता लगा. So I think I'm really happy to know all that, and I'm really happy that everything worked well, very well for you. And with the time approaching for your delivery date, I hope everything goes well, fingers crossed, and we all will remember you in our prayers. And of course, may God give you utmost strength and energy and stamina to you know bear all the pain. And like I know it's gonna be the most beautiful feeling when you have your baby skin to skin on you, but I know with like जो पूरा process है labor का, that is something जो थोड़ा बहुत अलग होने वाला है. And I think we would definitely love to you know listen to your experience after you've given birth to the baby. वो एक अलग ही चाम होगा उस पूरी जर्नी को सुनने में, उस पूरे एक्सपीरियंस को सुनने में. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर बाकी सब भी उतनी एक्साइटेड होंगे उस जर्नी को सुनने के लिए जितनी मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ सोच के. बट थैंक यू वेरी मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस, हमारे साथ सब कुछ शेयर करने के लिए. एंड आई होप एवरीबडी लाइक्ड दिस वीडियो एज मच एज वी बोथ enjoyed, and they all enjoyed it as much as we both did. But yeah, it has been a great experience to get to know you and all your journey for all this while. Thank you very much. Well, I want to thank you to have me over and giving me a chance to share everything in and out with you all. और बहुत ही मज़ा आया मुझे सबके साथ अपना experience share करने में. This was something that was really hidden for a very long time. और I remember कि मैं कितनी pictures click करती थी and I was not posting them on my Instagram. I was like नहीं यार, जब reveal करना है तो थोड़े झटके के साथ ही reveal करना है. नॉट लाइक कि ठीक है पिक्चर डाल दिया यू नो आई एम प्रेग्नेंट. कुछ तो डिफरेंट और क्रिएटिव करने का सोचा था मैंने, तो उसी वजह से आई केप्ट इट यू नो अ लिटिल बिट सीक्रेटिव फ्रॉम एवरीवन. बट नाउ बिकॉज इट्स बीइंग डिस्क्लोज्ड, आई वांटेड इट टू बी द you know kind of most creative way that I could have thought of. Well, this was originally not my idea. Jagraj actually gave me this idea कि कुछ ऐसा कर कि you know people are thrilled and they really get excited to see what is gonna happen. But yes, I mean, I'm very excited. Thank you once again. Thank you for having me here. And yeah, you all do take care. And thanks once again. Well, guys, the video is not over yet. I'm just here to be, you know, like letting you all know that how nice this was to do, and it was just a little attempt to be a little creative and letting you all know about this little surprise. And you know, I wanted it to be a little bit more creative and not something very usual. I hope you all liked the idea and the concept behind it, and you really enjoyed as much as me and her Ankita version 1 and 2 we both did. But yes, if you guys really enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up and share it as much as you can. It was just a very little thought of you know making you guys relate to it much more and make you guys laugh or entertain you guys. That was the whole sole purpose. And do of course remember me in your prayers for everything that's gonna come by. And I'm gonna share much more experiences I have you know had during this time. And yes, you all do take care of yourself, and until then, take care and bye.